Hey folks, Derek Pierce here, back again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and how to configure the readylinks plugin. Now the readylinks download link should be right below this video, and what this is going to help you do is this is going to help you export all of your URLs. So like in this case, we're looking at one of the sample launch jacking sites that I have called endlesstraffictap.net. And you can see here we have got several posts here. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to export all of these posts. And so what this is going to save us a ton of time whenever we are getting ready to distribute our content and syndicate our content out to all the different networks, whether you're using a program like SE Nuke or whether you're using Article Marketing Robot or using blog networks. Regardless of what it is, this is going to really save you a lot of time and really going to help you get all of your URLs linked to. So that's basically what we're trying to do, is we're trying to get all these links that you see here, like with this particular post, and with you got the categories and you got the tags. What I try to do is I try to vary up, have a variation of all of my URLs, like I explained to you in one of the previous videos. So basically what you do is you simply go here to the dashboard, and my computer is running a little slow, but you go to the dashboard and you install it like you do any other WordPress plugin. You go to plugins, and then we're going to click add new at the top, and then we'll find it on our hard drive. So you should have, by now you should have already downloaded the plugin, and we click upload, and we're going to search for this off of the old hard drive. So I'm going to pause the video real quick, and once I find it on my hard drive, then I will be right back. Okay, we found it, and I'm just going to click on that and then click install now. This is very easy to use, but it's going to be a lifesaver for you. It already has been for me. So click right here where it says activate plugin, and give it just a second here to activate. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the settings tab of your WordPress, and then you will see a tab that says readylinks, and you'll see it right here. So we're going to click on readylinks, and basically this is really slick. So basically what you can do is you can enter your keywords that you want to rank for, and this will spit out the HTML code with anchor text ready to go for you. So let's just say, for example, in this case, we're using endless traffic tap, right, as an example. So we're going to do endless traffic tap and then endless traffic tap bonus and endless traffic tap review. I'm going to use a couple of different examples, so I'm going to copy these keywords so I don't have to keep entering them over and over again. So right here with this date range, you can enter a date. Like let's say, for example, you want the last 30 days worth of post. You can do that by just figuring up your dates, or you can leave this blank to select all of the posts that you have. You can also filter this out by categories. So in this case, I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. So let's just say we wanted just the ones that we had in endless traffic tap category. So I'm going to click on that one. You can click all, or you can click whichever one you want to do. So let's for simplicity right now, let's just click endless traffic tap. And this will export. Number one, if you check this right here, it will export your site. So what that is endlesstraffictap.net. You can export your post, your page, categories, or your tags, or you can do all the above. Okay, so I'm just going to click site, post, I'm going to do category, and I'm going to do tags, and show you what this looks like real quick. And you got a couple of different options here. You can do the HTML hyperlink if you want the anchor text included, the HTML ready format. You just click this right here, this little button, or you can click right here just URL, and it will export just the URL. If you're doing just the URL, then you don't have to fill in these keywords. So we're going to do the HTML hyperlink format. So I'm going to click export links and show you how this works. And so you'll see we've got a download URL. You can see right here where it says download URL. and it says please right click and save as. Now if you have any kind of error, you see right here where it says error, the error will be displayed right below this. Okay, so just because it says error, that there's not an error there. You can see this is just the space if you were to have an error. So but anyway, the download URL is right here. It says right click and save as. I'm just going to open this in a new tab, but you can save it. So you can see open link in new tab, and you can see right here, here is all the URLs with anchor text included, all for us. Okay, so how I use this, let me go back here and let's just go ahead and save it. I'm going to save link as, and I'm going to save it as a text file, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. So give this just a second here to download. Alright, so this is our text file, and I'm going to show you how now I use this information here. So I'm going to copy all of these URLs. So I'm going to click copy, and whenever I'm getting ready to like spin my content, like we talked about in the previous video, when I'm getting ready to spin my content, what I'll do is I'll go into the best spinner here, and let's just open up a new tab, and I'm going to paste all of these URLs. So this is all the URLs, all in a HTML ready format with our keyword plugged in. You'll see endless traffic tap here, endless traffic tap. You should have an endless traffic tap bonus. You see that right there. And what this is doing is linking to all of our posts and all of our URLs with our keywords. So you don't have to worry anything about HTML or knowing anything like that. So I'm going to copy, or I'm going to select all of these, and then I'm going to click the spin together button. Okay, and what this is going to do, this is going to go through and spin all of these links. Okay, very slick, because basically what this is going to do is once you plug this bit of code in here and you plug it into your articles, like in this case I would copy this right here and I would go into one of my articles. Let me see if we can find one of these articles that we had that I showed you earlier. I would take and I would put this article I would take and put these URLs in this particular article. So like if I'm looking for a place to put this this link, I would put it in at this symbol right here. This is some sort of bracket of some sort, but when you're doing these spins, you're gonna have two brackets back to back, and I would just put it like right there. So I'm just gonna paste it right there, and I'll show you what this looks like now. So I'm gonna click spun article, and I'm gonna do HTML preview, and you'll see right there is our link right there in the text. Click new spin. You got another one right here. Changes up the link, and it changes up the anchor text too. Click new spin, and you see every time we spin it, that link is embedded into this article. So that's how we get our links into the article using the readylinks plugin. Now let me go back to the our sample website here. Let's say we didn't want to export them as a hyperlink with anchor text and everything plugged in. Okay, let's say we just wanted just the list of URLs. So what we can do, just leave the keywords box. We don't put anything in here. We select our date range just like we did before. We can select all categories, or we can pick whichever one we want. Let's just click article marketing. I'm going to click site, and I'm going to click post, and I'm just going to click the tags, and I'm going to click just URL, and I'm going to click export links. And so then I'm going to show you what this looks like here, and I'm just going to right click and open this in a new tab. Obviously you would want to save it as a text file, but just for simplicity, you see that we have got all of these tags as well as the URLs that were in that particular category. Very cool, very much a time saver. So what you can do is then you can grab these links and you can plug them into whatever program you're using. If you're using like SE Nuke X, then you can plug, I think you can plug like up to 3 URLs in there, but you can plug them into that program. Whatever program you're wanting to use, you can do so much with this information. That way you're not having to like go and copy each individual post that you're trying to link to. So that's how I'm using the ReadyLinks plugin and how I'm using it to integrate in with my articles, so you know where to put the URL. So that wraps up this video on how to use the ReadyLinks and how to plug it into your actual articles. And I will see you in the next video training.